Welcome viewers, welcome to my channel Hyderabad Blues on Cricket Analysis. I'm your Sai Prasad. Before giving my comments on the today's test match victory, I wanted to express my congratulations to our Indian team. We have beaten the world's best team, Australia, in their home ground, and we also taken away the series with 2-1 lead, which will definitely boost the confidence of the young players who has played first time with a strong opponent in their first test match. This is what my comment. Definitely this will go forward and give few more victories. If we can have a proper combination like this and play with the strategies, that's what I can say. In the absence of Virat Kohli, Rahane has handled the situation very well and gave this victory with his superior captaincy qualities, I can say. Now coming to today's match, we have converted a test match format game into a T20 format at the end. And the last day it has started with the ODI format like batting, and in the end they could convert into a T20 format game. The way Rishabh Pant has played, though he got some lives, it's a part of cricket, but I can say he stayed at the wicket and gave this victory with the support from beautiful contribution from Shubman Gill 91 runs, Washington Sundar 22 runs. Rahane also played average, but it's a total contribution from the team, total effort from the team, except in the second innings failure of Rohit Sharma and Mayank Agarwal. I said Mayank Agarwal should be brought down to make Indian team a little stronger in the middle order. Same thing they have done in this test match, but he could not utilize it properly, I can say. Why I said Mayank Agarwal can be brought down in the middle order for the test match means, as I am expecting, a new ball was taken and immediately Mayank Agarwal got to play the new ball. Naturally, as an opener, you like to play with the new ball, and he got the chance today. Even then, due to that poor shot, poor timing, he got out. At that point of time, every cricketer in India might have thought Australia is taking away the game from our hands. But Washington Sundar's contribution 22, support to Rishabh Pant, brought the score nearer to the victory. At the end, anyway, you have witnessed how Rishabh Pant could finish the game. This is what happens when a test match played with the entire team effort. That too, winning a test match in the overseas grounds like team like Australia is very, very difficult, sir. Let me repeat that. In those conditions, with their superior bowling attack, since they have given the target to Indian team and chasing the target and taking the victory in our side is not so easy. That spirit, the determination today India has shown. That's the reason I say this match will be remembered for long. In the absence of Virat Kohli and other experienced players, Rahane handled the team very well with the right combination of the bowlers. Congratulations to Mohammad Siraj. 5 wickets he has claimed in this test match. is proved that an Hyderabadi has got a potential to play a test match. India needs those fast bowlers, better bowlers to play in all the formats of the game. With this victory, Rahane has shown that he has got all the capacity to handle the test match, test squad. I can say, thanks to Pujara, whenever he get to play to Indian team, because he plays only test format, he has shown his quality that he is an exclusive test player. That's the reason today our Indian team got the victory with the support from those experienced players and youngsters also getting to learn. With this victory, all the youngsters who got to play the first time in the test format will get the confidence, so that in the future series or any country we are touring or they are touring, they can contribute in a better way. With these comments, once again I wanted to say congratulations to Indian team. I'll come back again with another video. Please do mail me on goodluckprasad@gmail.com. Share this video. Thank you, sir.